Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. So basically we have three options how to check it. The first one, you can use a box. At the top, right here at the left top, we have a serial number, so you can check it here. You can also scan QR code. The second option is to find this information at your speaker. So at the back side, we have this plug with a SOUNDCORE. You need to open this plug, and right here you have serial number. So you can also check it here or scan QR code. The last option is to use an application to check it. You need to open SOUNDCORE app. Of course, your speaker should be connected with the application. Tap at your speaker, then go to the settings at the right top. And right here we have serial number. It's the same one. So you can check it here and you can copy right here near to it. We have copy icon, tap at this icon, and now we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!